remember a while back where this person joined our class. I won't say who it was, but they basically claimed to speak like 6 or 7 languages fluently. And then I asked them, okay, what are the languages? And it was funny because they mentioned Swedish, of course, but then they also mentioned Norwegian. And then I was like, okay, but do you actually speak Norwegian? And then she wasn't able to actually speak it, like have conversations in Norwegian. And so what she actually did was she took basically three languages that she spoke fluently. And then she looked at the languages that were similar to those and then counted them as well. And so, for example, if someone speaks Azerbaijani, which if you didn't know, that's my native language, or my parents are Azerbaijani, they can sort of claim that they speak Turkish, right? And so for me, I could also lie like her and say that I speak like 6 or 7 languages, because I could say, okay, well, I speak Azerbaijani, which means I speak Turkish, and I speak Swedish, which means I speak Norwegian, and then I speak English, Spanish. So that's 6 languages. I could do that if I were to be a bit dishonest. And that's actually what I see a lot of people online with these hyper polyglots do, where they'll learn sort of a phrase or two in the language, just enough to have not a conversation, but like a specific scenario, right? And then like they won't learn the logic of the language. They won't learn like the framework behind how to create sentences. They'll basically just memorize certain phrases such that they'll be able to have the absolute basic interaction of like ordering coffee. And a lot of them will then say that they speak those 40 languages. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.